Assalamu alaikum Mr. students. Welcome to the academic session 2020-21. Hope enjoying the online classes. Today is our fourth lecture of science for grade 4. In our last lecture, we have completed the explanation of our first chapter. Today we'll be starting with the new chapter, skeleton and muscles. In this chapter, there are three parts. What is a skeleton? How do skeleton and muscles work together? What are drugs and medicines? We have skeletons, so do animals have. In this slide, you can see two different types of skeleton. Now we'll learn what are the functions and how does the skeleton works. See, the human skeleton is on the left side. You have one like that too in your body. And on the right side, there are skeletons of animals. Now, we'll come to what is a human skeleton made up of. The hard part inside a body are called bones. Human skeletons are made of bones. Our bones are light but very strong. There are 206 bones in an adult human. Together, they form the skeleton of the human body. A human baby is born with about 300 bones. Now we'll see the functions of a human skeleton. Our skeleton supports our body and gives its shapes. Our skeleton works with the muscles in our body to help us to move. Our skeleton protects important parts of organs in our body. For example, the ribs surround and protect our hearts and lungs. So with this, we'll come to know the next part, that is about bones. Do bones grow? Yes. Look at the slide. You can see the hand bone of a child and the hand bone of an adult. You can see the difference between the both. So with this, we can learn that our bones grow. When we are babies, our bones were small and short. As we grow older, our bones grow bigger and longer. By the time we are young adults, our bones would have peaked in size. Now the next part is, can bones break? Yes. Have you ever had a fall and broken a bone? Now look at this image. These broken bones are called fracture. Our bones are very strong. However, they can break if there is a large and a sudden force acting on them. If the broken bones are called fractures. Now can you see the fracture in an X-ray machine, in an X-ray picture? On the next slide, an X-ray picture is taken using an X-ray machine. It shows what is inside a body. This helps the doctor to find whether we have a fracture. With coming to the next slide, do animals have bony skeletons? Yes, animals do have bony skeletons. There are different animals. Look at these pictures. Human and animals such as birds, fish and other mammals have bony skeletons inside their bodies. They have backbones or spines made up of many small bones called vertebra. Therefore, they are known as vertebrates. Now, the second is invertebrates. There are some examples of invertebrates given in the slide. Most animals such as insects and worms do not have bony skins inside their bodies. They do not have spines to support their body. These animals are called invertebrates. So with this, we have learned today is the human skeleton is made up of different bones. Our skeleton has some important functions, that is, it supports our body and gives it shape. It protects important parts or organ in our body. It works with the muscles in our body to help us grow. Our bones grow bigger and longer as we grow. Animals have bony skeletons, are therefore called as vertebrates, and animals who do not have bony skeletons are called invertebrates. So with this we have completed the explanation of this part. Now in the next class we will be learning about the next second part, that is how do the skeletons and muscles work together. Hope this class was a beneficial one. Thank you.